Before you study SC-900, lock one detail: your exam date. Microsoft is updating the English skills measured on July 28, 2026. If your appointment is before that date, use the earlier objective list in the official study guide. This orientation and our 3 practice sets target the July 28th version. SC-900 is for business stakeholders, students, and new or existing IT professionals who want a foundation across Microsoft security, compliance, and identity. You do not need to be a senior security engineer, but you should recognize basic Azure and Microsoft 365 concepts. The exam has 4 connected domains. Security, compliance, and identity concepts carry 10 to 15%. Microsoft Entra carries 25 to 30%. Microsoft Security Solutions carry 35 to 40%. Microsoft Compliance Solutions carry 20 to 25%. The weights tell you where to spend time, not which domain you can ignore. Start with identity as a primary security perimeter. Authentication proves who or what is requesting access. Authorization decides what that identity may do. Microsoft Entra adds conditional access, roles, governance, access reviews, privileged identity management, and identity protection around those decisions. Do not memorize security products as an isolated list. Build a signal chain. Azure infrastructure controls reduce exposure. Defender for Cloud measures and improves posture. Sentinel collects and investigates signals through SIEM and SOAR. Defender XDR connects protection and investigation across identities, endpoints, email, apps, vulnerabilities, and threat intelligence. Treat compliance as a data lifecycle. Service Trust Portal provides Microsoft assurance material. Purview helps assess compliance posture, discover and classify data, apply sensitivity and retention controls, prevent data loss, and investigate insider risk, e-discovery, and audit evidence. Compliance Score guides improvement. It is not a legal guarantee. Microsoft requires a scaled score of 700 or greater to pass. Do not translate that automatically into exactly 70% correct. Before exam day, verify the current study guide. Use the exam sandbox to learn the interface, request accommodations when needed, and remember that mostly general availability features are tested, with commonly used preview features sometimes included. Use Set 1 as a broad baseline. Group every miss by domain and mechanism. Repair the weakest boundary in Microsoft Learn, then use Set 2 to test whether the correction transfers. Set 3 is the integration check. Can you distinguish nearby services when a scenario crosses identity, security operations, and compliance? Readiness is connected trust, not one lucky score. Choose the right objective version. Map the weighted domains. Distinguish product purpose, practice, diagnose, repair, and retest. Start with Set 1 and let your evidence decide what to study next.